Hello, this is Joachim from Oscilla. I will now walk you through an installation of the Oscilla Audioconsole Software. The first step is to plug in the USB drive that came with the Oscilla product. You will need to open up the Windows Explorer and double-click on the Oscilla drive. Now you have to double-click on the installation file called Setup. Allow the setup to run on your PC. Hit Next for every window during the installation. If you would like to have a desktop shortcut, check this box. The installation of the Oscilla Audioconsole Software is now completed. You will now have to connect the Oscilla product through the USB cable to your PC. Windows will now search for the correct driver. Windows will now inform you when the driver is installed. You are now ready to use your Oscilla product.